Divij Techknow. Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to share screen of iPhone or iPad in Zoom. First, you click on new meeting, let it load, connecting, and boom. So over here, you click on share screen as usual. If you are on a Windows, you can use iPhone/iPad via cable. And on Mac, you have both options. So I was just saying, like, you can connect from your phone, from the Zoom and present. But that's a lot of time signing in, installing the Zoom app, blah blah blah. But without that, you can do via cable. Like, I'm not gonna do via cable in this video, but you can do these steps. Connect your iPhone or iPad to this computer when prompted on your iPhone/iPad. Select plus. So the image is there, but I'm not gonna do this today. I am actually gonna today do the AirPlay so that like I don't also want to do via cable because that's a little bit of more time. So let's do AirPlay share. Yeah. So these steps will come. Connect to Wi-Fi network. Your Wi-Fi network, connect to that one which your laptop is connected to. Tap screen mirroring. Yeah, so you have to tap screen mirroring and choose Zoom MacBook Pro, your laptop. But Zoom and hyphen will be for that. So I'll go in screen mirroring on the phone. Select Zoom MacBook Pro. Let it load. It's loading. And boom. It's there. You can actually increase the volume. It's showing Apple TV because it's taking it as a Apple TV because it's using AirPlay. Like over here, you can actually like go in Google and go in landscape mode and do all of this. And you can actually watch movies and YouTube, of course. Like I'll go in library. Put my video on. But YouTube has a problem with this. With YouTube, it doesn't allow. You can use any other app like Sony Live, Hotstar, Prime Video, or Netflix. That would work. And of course, you can play games. And the volume will come from the computer. Like, I'm going to increase the volume. I can actually hear the volume in the computer.
Time to take care of the weeds.
Look, I can actually play like this. But never mind of playing. You can search. And you can get prompts too. Like I can go in the control center and I can actually connect Wi-Fi. I can go in now playing. I can actually, but you cannot record screen while doing this. You can set a bedtime reminder. You can scan QR codes. And like you can also put some timers. And of course, I wanted guys to show you something really cool. You can from over here actually create a QR code. Over here, I'm just gonna do open website apple.com done. I enter over here. Boom. I just use my Zoom. Send it to myself. I'm gonna open it. And look, it's open. And now I'm going to go here and actually scan from my phone the image. Cool, right? Oh, so thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and tricks and secret features. So, bye bye guys. Meet you in my next video.